Yeda onyankopon asese enenso ode adom ye eme de connection dwumadi esanso de bramo sene mu nyina mu connection dwumadi ye dwumadi bia eboa ema enema nkitenkiti bia ekoso ewo magana mu a wonte ase no yetin enya ahoyie de bro sanse ye wonkofo a ye do omba dwumadi so a mutumi eboa echeche nima afenso obi wo ho ana oha obi ewo na brabo ana se neba bi koso wo pese one ye cha na so connection dwumadi anase Imadec TV ema ho kwan se ye ne se nipa no ebetwetwe enkomo enenso yesanso de connection dwumadi di free ahemfie hotel ye de bro ahemfie hotel ewo sunyane ufoka na wuduru sunyane a na wabisa driver ni bia se okọ odomase enti wunya froka na akache driver ni se mesi from ahemfie hotel se ope bia ada ama ho ato ope bia ada na ade ebeche no obi bia ni ho a ayira na afenso otiri ene onan na okon nyina siso a ni nyina na ahemfie hotel sanse security tight bibia esan ewo ho afenso Imadec multimedia ene Imadec TV nso ene ekua o sanso boy me de dwumadi esanso de bro Imadec TV Imadec multimedia mo contact in go ase no say video editing ananse bibia efa from bia no ofre wo mo be yesa dwumadi de ama me ame no kase media ne kofi ma metwa me ho me ba ye beti dwumadi so esanso mo akoba bi e de ba corner show dwumadi so ene ye ne opinion from kokra ne ne ba bekesa most of times ne some of the secondary schools enkwala ni bi ahia na mo atwetwe enkomo efa yare ya ba ya ma o motifie ya o monko school ebi mo ho a mo fa na ye ba betwere na so yare ni nti o motifie na o munim so mo kwa na so monko ene onyankopon adom ye nya teacher ni ba ko a o ye one of the teachers esanso atenso your entertainment master was school ya making Bichim Presec ye ne teacher yi ba betwetwe nkomo Mr. Chum ba betwetwe nkomo na ye bisa no aso enema ekoso yarewi aba no ni impact a enya ananse ebinya ewo academic calendar no so ne some of the students na or motivate any even the whole country as a whole no say eno osifa ehu no ene o ha ye ne baba etwe nkomo say ye ma akwa ba
Usuminya na pomwe
na adom mpa bo bia woko samos mo ho ye pa
na me adom me ho ye pa
ya say before answer e betia we nkomo e bia na me ma introduction no man kan yi a me pa cho bodin full name ankasa ne ne wo ye ne poti e wo Bichim Presec
yo me das me nua Kofi ma me de Michael Safuchum me Chadio Presec Bichim me cha biology and also some entertainment master and again vice patron to the SRC bachelor
say abodin edos pa ya enya asanketwa osanso ye biology kakra say e ba no say your friends science and answer nyema bia woni ho kakra nti obeboa nyema piu say COVID-19 ye yare ya be ama most of the student ni na answer because the whole Ghana kra no your closest schools no down enkwala na akofie no say ena ohun say yare no e be affect wo mu in a way.
Oh, okay. Schools that are closely done and colano akofie no. E be affect you mo na so affect calendar no. Mi say am your cheche ni no. Me topics are metre throughout the semester. But me midway and I year then e buy and colano so call mo akofie no. Once be na are not used to the semester base of education the secondary school no mo nim by universities ni there then e wo ho into na say ye ko school kra na say emeno wa emom we so be bom akofie no obi won ma oni guidance won sua de but obo school mu di at least ye be sesa period ye be ye yinti no adisua no be den obi focus on it into fie no mo won de akoye two ball affair teacher student me ade abakwa me ye ni say me nkola no mo wo fie no ya some platform ya kasa questions bi anam de amom na adisua no so ye den ekoso kakra
ye nyane ntie se GS and answer Ministry of Education at the platform bia bar on TV where e-learn no mutumi sua de say na ohun saa initiative we
but a good one I will see you soon because Ghana say na we are say kono addition you na advance a high time I can say create me this e-learning. But when say idea you the buy, you know, I say Ghana everything is politics. It's not politics. One kolan because I could be o school mun kwara at the channel the method way mano with method way you are obinya on grasp ya de. But with this e-learning different teacher, almost a visuals or bibiano on a bois na this piano. Until e-learning there, I'm for it. I be bois and can see you so ye need to call your because you are saying that you are saying kono additionally the technology aba enye bibia na bitimi akota bibi okwan ke ofie ibitimi asend teacher na bitimi asend work moye no amake no asam na facilitate learning no
ti se ne wo kan no boa ma nkwara no yi na yesi ye wo nkwara bi wo kwa omo wo enkurase light kura na ho edin ema omo so obesku e wo bechi presec in this situation you know say na wo sa nkwara no so.
This situation there alarming because enemy na enemy say omina ewomu and everywhere is covered when talk of a network. Into mo nkranase no mo nyasade no a disadvantage to them. I hope you are getting it. Into no as time goes, I say government no see be yes say e-learning here. Have you considered the vulnerable? Omo network ni ade den e catchment your network ni den eni honum ba ho ye ne se bia me ye ne krokasiem me ye ne ha we na we ya obi so wo ekrana se honum a ono so onya emwa no nti no as time goes on there's always a first time to everything but as time goes on maybe you know I think say those in the remote areas why don't you get some vans carry this network a bit me project what you are doing from the city to those places. I hope you are getting it.
Yegusa ene Mr. Safuchum ye biology teacher and also biology e wo Bichim Presec osanso e patron e de ma SRC board no e wo Bichim Presec e na osanso e entertainment master e wo Bichim Presec kona ye no ene yegusa ene no e twen komo no ne ye ka won se haye ahemfie hotel ena muguso a mo hwe e di dwumadi e fira ye de bremo no wo mo number se ne gu screen so no wetimi afrom na no mu edi enwta wo so afensi Imadeck TV ne Imadeck multimedia ena aboa ya ye de enkomo e bremo menso me din di Kofi Ima obetimi aframi Imadeck yegusa ne se e twetwen komo san se yare abai akayam se yare no kwa na ekosoro ena babia ye dwunu so nka samri nkola no twerɛ exams ne ade but ene omotifie teacher ni wa ha yenya ne de obeboa ama yehu kwan a yawe se ebetwam kwan ba so na nkola be fa so mo atwerɛ mo exams ne nyina no yebehu afise ho ansa na wako say teachers no minim say samre mo so motifie is there a way am aye mo so mo ho meeting ne ade a mo pese mo di bibi ba bontiama edo nkola tifie de na so ebetimi aboa wo mo na akipi wo mo in shape sine be ya o me be dru school mo na o mo enka akire
yo me da se Kofi ma me ade a me bia se semester bia se a topics a be no me de ma me nkola nti no ye she de be ya ase de semester na ye gu so aye den ye na unfortunate ni ye den e happy wona make sure no nti no omo Kofi no so no with my students no man tianda they use their free say then into what I'm say topics na no if wo textbook na wo kan na bibi wo na won tiase I'm ever ready and also ya some small platform our WhatsApp e bo na the question I then atum almost solve we be you be try about bibi a process no na na try to be your life with the Instagram but all streaming near the no na and effective into you hold on with that but kakra obese be so me ya nkola no so e cooperate ayeso ye ne kakra odo se nkola no enye obi a no be ye obi okwa ye kofisi da ni age obi won so de obi onim bebi ofi no pe bibi amane da ache no or you ever ready so be den obi sua de
say anki ye kankan bosimu ye nka mo twere wasi titru wasi but yare ni nti nkwada ya kofie say na affect more as teachers. Say na sa situation we affect more calendar your friends academic calendar year.
Me being as a teacher no, we are because why cannot dey we by say timetable by say time say measure exams say and na yare den ababa abetwe meaning say the calendar also call revise on call revise no so no and quite advantage one to the students say you have ample time to catch up I did be one if you na I won't see here. I hope you are getting it. Into this one is a blessing in disguise. I hope you are getting it. Into empire na yeborn say abino betimi aye bibidanka ye hwese yare no se be ko ekwa se exams ye be tro anase ye den ye ntro because me ameti asisi no nkola ne frame say wasi no den ekọ catch on see you na I just hear from the central government because me timi ko kan say that's meditro aha be oyeto inim da kra virus no be den efie na kokra mpo na was that stigma your mind no how will you adapt was in the pakra woko nwan chen kra na ebeye bibi it will take time and sana you be den e be come back together
ye nyan ntie bebre say omo kan say wan hwa wasi ne kromo nkyere na ombe kyere entrance exams to the university ne saade no say me patwa asem wi say watia otie no onsoso wadwen kyere wo ho etesen
no kre mate education minister honorable Matthew Poku Prempeh eka say we no fine okan ye no na me na kakra and I'm say okay muna formulate policies no ene ade no GS ye de mo maka no mo be implement it nti say na wo say betro entrance exams no minim say bia waye more consultation with the universities say can it be possible? If it is possible, what are the ways? The bed, the bed. But I didn't know. We are rushing about one thing. Say that tertiary we as I'm from Betron. We had a 4-year education plan, and I work on one of the advantages of it. You know, mean politics here, politics. But when you are speaking, you should speak as a patriotic citizen. No credit, no idea. If we had this 4-year programmer nanka we are by nanka end far by the because say next year and a bit me iden actual exams but with this 3 years calendar you was the restrictions be I see a tight corner. I hope you are getting it. Me I'm one person that me follow what the government is at the end of the day don't be can you suggest but on case unti don't be can be follow who follow that instruments no say fire human problem one it just tell the government that the way anything emwa. I hope you are getting it. The leaders it's high time they should consider we the citizens no credit no more than one country say na the echo say ni person then you are there more the realms of we government you will follow. I hope you are getting it.
Say me person me who say as a also teacher wa pass through the system ye kese kofa wa see resource bra obenye biaba say ye kese ye entrance exams it means say nya de binya bi say wa see resource de masa ankwalai etino ne sa no akore bi won ko university obefese obeko military ananse ni and obeto forms okra atia so outside the country sankofo you should demand all this wa see eti to you say na ohuno a loud double say government no be go ahead this implementation we aba and I say yentwentwen so ni yentwe wasi no
made from what you said if holistically a kind of credit there I see a treatment in your wasi no because sana we can be more call that services near the they would demand that's a resource no we obe there because we have some years be students or move I will not compete for job. Meaning say you be form. Why we this time you cannot go. Also I just say train. So till when? Me I'm one person now. We shouldn't rush about say the person any university entrance. Let's look at the other side. Say what are the disadvantages? What are the pros and buying? I didn't rush. Yan two your boni yan systematically. Nemboa ubia.
Say Nansia yenya ntia so mo say on be use some of the secondary schools no more horse no more classrooms e dey aye baby I say be isolation centers ne ade ebimu kire say ye ma kwan ebimu protest against that and even corona school no kra was no corona bi SN person on betia say as a teacher yemfa say the bi ba bechin presec wadwen kire was say e was ade
oh no credit enye because o hwe dormitories classrooms are nkola yeren e wo ho no ma o makofie wo so de wo ye isolation center obi menda ho ni ade odo se mo be fumigate mo be spray ho no eni ade I was so consider say nkola ne ba because fumigation how you know ye no one so e bi o mo ba kra ba be ye that fumigation is still labium but enye louder bo so be mo bi abeden abeda why is that the government no first car bia mp hotel you pay them who the people are there food here then they get everything there. Let me give you a typical example. My friends from Canada me no mudi inkomo almost see what the government has done is say hotels na wo akese wako tueska and are homeless omo street say you don't mind then akọ food here then akọ emom intino hardly say you see people loitering about because God has share ukonante kwa na ebo enye ade ye odo say nipa no bebre ha ontimi nche dem nche e so nanti ubu depression ne ade but you should understand them because I know our security needs I believe in them say they have been trained to guide us and educate us too but what they say action ubu obi because enye laudable it is schools na ye ka say the beye ehye ne de they should sit down and get another thought say emwa because na ka yin say na then we should na was like maintaining kola no make sure na de yemo kofi because you see yemo kofi kola yo mo ba fa presec as a case study kola no bebre all over Ghana mo ho obebo be faka obeye obenya nsesan so and dormitory no e become doso no mo dem heat like intiare ne ba won say ebeye samu into be mo bia be da ho na say ni say nipa de nim nipa trimo e bi o kira nko an no bia na bibi musuma yes spray ba na bi wo ho no bi ba na etisim kola ne so what up because you nim dan kola ne so be den e be ba we bi won mo be ba no they overstay and have it in mind say on the school compound now the isolation e kura ba no you will teachers almost stay on the compound. Your authorities are more compound. Although say you're breaking school, but they're also there. Have you also considered their health? I hope you are getting it.
Mr. Chum, and Komo, Bichim Presec, one of the teachers, or chair biology, or some say entertainment master. Say educate for anime P, one senior railway, and in summer, also GS mu, any idea. You say, I know, Komo, say. Uye teacher ni na wo hu wa nkwala fa nsem don wa fa nsem ni ade yesi ye chiche aduane videos bi aba bonten ye dinkan aka bi se social distancing and as bisa and per some of the videos ni aba bonten no utumi say asafe kwa na ye twen yare no amaye ho say wadwen kire wo sa ade na ye no ho no etesen because ye che aduane but ye can nipa so san boma and to kwankwan na ekoso wadwen kire wo ho tse
aduane che ne de eye because we show manya ye timu yi enye obia na betimi afford if you got 2 or 3 square meal a day intino e kanipa so mbeboa na maboa ban na ma che aduane na eye but yeah also more observing the protocols the directives are you see social distancing. I mean, I was saying, I would change so many pa a puya then, but I didn't see the o channel. Ideally, package, ne kama, and your package ya, ubinya nipa mama control the crowd. Na crowd on some big ground, and so more than a boom, and maybe more be nipa be 20. Ya distance mo, ya mamo, don't your mama you don't return back to maybe be a fiba you go because nipa no one yen sana obi abepu once Ghana digidi we yare ni be we one who say and yare no say so no what I'm seeing is a majority are be host for the virus more than a youth no because the immune system no one a very high a bit me a fight the vibe because of the immunoglobulin then e wo ho no but won say ono no ye host e bia onim ye testing ye but ono obi a odu bi benya sese wan so e bia say nipa no o ye weak aged ana wanyin kakara say the system ni we so transfer ya na then ama no because obi wo no ma o ye host no I just run a series of tests as I be say ya rewe then e wo nipa no so I hope you get enu ntinam wo hwe Ghana no ma your contact tracing na ye no expose so many things amount for when one thing of pandemic and say pandemic bar there will be a rise. We should understand that numbers in the building a bit costly but a building gradually we show the fact China as a example Wuhan one na yare near day was a coin man fu near there because road do baby no mundrua Italy near was a gradually a day say American was a yare na day because of also stadium class America diet was a diabetes tiarin so nya osane de be we know a suitable environment for it to thrive obeding obekun when am enti no eduane chene de eye plus but method no mu di che eduane no and also revise no because who che eduane na nipa be pu aba na was the essence.
What do you suggest say on be kwan on be fa so de ache because e bi mu kire sanka ye momu hye omu fie ne enfa duane no mro omu fie eno so bi mu kire say transportation cost e bia na etwa bi mu kura jane ade ti what do you suggest?
Say interesting times ahead of us. Say you are ni chewe because okaso bi ntina fie wo de beba se na wo kan obu abetwam obi bedu ba bi emu bibi ana e bebo afaso onya bi wo kan so say mumbra hana mumbe ye me nim the mind ni obi okro betima je aduane ne ba akwa be so abeji biom am obi kura so nya den enya encha me I'm saying say aduane na mo de ba ya mum package e bia bebi amu bia district bia na say locality bia no your assembly or your district assembly or no ma they are performing with the help of security police ne ade no you betim the okay eduane no e wa hanom but not forget say you be a lockdown movement also be then e restricted into no uhwe vantage point we ebeboa we gia obeko we gia because why ensure that social distance na massa I don't know you know the day obedi say wo bo anso na ya den kwa na because this inkofo na omoye unnim ni pom so ni nya contact before cancer lockdown be den be baso wona make sure into no dicey kakra but me you know what I'm seeing is omo che eduane no with the help of DC when they will get the proper protocol about boama widen what check you are because if you car crash you now check you na it is money pan quality and as a car crashing cat and so ben was the some we be one man because that me share a South Africa no mu check you and you much my package bibia the rubber am much no show gloves bibia neat after everything we kadim mama distance into we here your back home fifi obeji na mo obeji wo akiri no dey hiding in that terrain sa no mo ensure na before that police force wo mama distance in here they don't call them the number huge be at 20 no mama distance mo na na obi aye and e so smoothly and chempo no mo here den o mo we dey o so mo here den o mo chemo because they are not team cheni na one day o fa gradual and e ko handle so chance here den we move on to this place yeah.
Ghana for more share more G aduane bi ananse bisa no ye besro mo se yare na we enya de a enye omukase ebi mo se on pese mo hu se aba TV so se nipa yi na da ho ni sadin e mo mu hwe fi se Ghana for mo kroya na stigmatization na se yakoma mu a ye sori a ni wako prison kraba no obabedu no oton ade no obeto bi afiri wa so ye kromfo ye de yare nipa asuma si the picture to no chana camera to no say wonya yare bia wa hwa yare twemu ko nyina chi nya de obeyi some people are in their homes ya obonya yare bi or yare pa but untimi mabontene emeka because ofere enam treatment de ma afesi ya cheduane so munya obotre na ne ha me kakra no say mesrewo wontumi anu aduane ni bi o fie ya nu aduane ni bi na bra baji a ukoji wi anu asan so atwa na de betu social media na odidi atem I don't know one be wo fie. This is not a matter of politics. I will say ye politics tin chen ya man kan do kono ba kwa ma onchenam. Now de bi akota na otosen. Wo sika akoto bi. So enti the way ye bi even say ye ho no ye twetwe yare no ama na doso na ka hu se ebia na ade ho odin una na bi otifie na ade yare no kwa akoma no say ye ba be ko but menya oha no question we dey wo se me bisa na nsen social media nkwala pictures bi ni videos bi na abonten a secondary school from kwala bo hu no mo twerk ubehu na omo be gina so na obi mo kese media me mpe boy tietia me pe boys 4 me boys 6 say as teachers more buana because when you look at some of these videos no share comments and numbers here you the teachers for be na tell say teachers for nyo modwuma ye ni ade say as teachers who say and as a teacher who say the way ya say na we see fam
me what I will say is the first point of socialization is the family ewufie because akola no wo no na ebusuafo na betena ansa no benyi obeba school mu ni ade not disputing the fact say wonyi na waba school mu no so o teacher for nsa omo ye den omo educating omo shaping no ni ade akola bi wo no ma from ahyase no kurampo mini parent no so be ka ne ba asem kura no den akola na dictate ma parent no well say utimi shout ne mame when you make sure waba school mu ye grooming no because me am one person na me say education na oba na ye only academia I will say you a global asset ye modus na every environment you fit in ideally akola no odu ba bi oje say why the wanyi kasa obe kasa che no ni omo ni ade but what there is trend now we ye video we ye yin okoke beka cho say right you are infringing on their rights but excuse me some years back no yen na na school mu bio na all social media na ade we nye but hardly say obehu say now no they see it to be normal oh video beba we can we yeah and as you said they want to gain some popularity but it's a bad way of gaining popularity. They should know say one you should know where you are coming from and where you want to get to. Adibia abaye ne no ochena edaho and then we are saying with this technology no we be na record ya to ochena okopa adwuma bi ne ade o ko ba you don't know the background check you check here how they will tell you oh nicely you hear from info because of past record be now transformed. I hope you are getting it. Adibia omoye no they should have it in mind say almost students no take class and will recommend them for their job. They will connect them to their future job tomorrow. So they should portray good characters. Obo ono need them or hwe usuba ni ade. Ochina bi no ebi kwa na father e big business. But hwe we there be about say ni ebi kwa na wasesa. Nti bi omoye no they should be very very mindful. And our phone so yesremo mommoayen. Enye teacher phone kwa na yeden. Enya mo so mutimi mama tiano yes yeden. Ye ya fam and nim say bibia so so betwa empaibo. We should pray for them. Sometimes they don't know what they are doing. Kaka mumpaibum o konya me say kakra that training no obi ho no ma peer influence or pressure no there or the yes but chin trans in kasa utuni for the obu say ade ya me yikura no and those people no when they change totally why then wasisa nti mesere say me nua no mo nketo na they engage in this video no man no so timi hear battles no ne enye healthy because also mujudi za muso mko manim daache education na wunya no da nyame adum ene no wo ba wuntu afisu e free ma into advantage ni say utimi dwene say menye bibi free no china bi no so me da bom bra daache
china bi na wo de abo bra daache say ye beko secondary school from quality fee wow students mo wo be chim presec any inquire wo Ghana ha nyina omo ba betwere wasi na so yare nti sesi omo titi fie no or last words to them encouraging words bia ebema wona akoso asua de ne wo kurase a ono mpo ni light ne tani mani na wo final words to sa ankola yina
that's it ejaima the mechanic say achiasu embuya se abebu ni na yare no na ayeden aba na mayi na ayeden yaba fie but one thing I also mean say they should do away with fear and panic. Oh misuru matiti se bi mukura ntimi hwe TV fine obi anene the way nyame ayeden abono ne ade but omo fa advantage to also discover their other side. Ebu won na wo bibi nyame de ade bi ache wa gifted with something but unim but this time maybe wo fie unya time for yourself there they was dwene kura because when there is any difficulty, there's opportunity. Also, grab that opportunity to move on I hope you are getting it. Into no mama mu say, oh we know that be never call into abemubodi they should do away because me they know me say in life you should believe in yourself, you should be yourself, you should do you. At the end of the day, you matter, not them. I hope you are getting it. So live a life a be boawa enya nsusu bi wo wadamfo bi so. It is a time we know your time o bompae usua bibi book bi na be kan ana storybooks bi ana uye bibi o serve info from the net. Say na be boawa discover your other side. Yeah.
Discover your other side. Yeda onyankopon say twum na anansa safuchum ene ye no atwetwe nkomo oye Bechin Presec, one of the teachers of biology, esanso eye entertainment master osanso eye patron ewo Bechin Presec wa mo SRC board no oye patron ewo so ye no atwetwe nkomo bibre wakan sim bibre ache, and I think say this is the time you be fan you maybe bibre free say nsema wakanum yare no anodin enya asem ketwa but Sabuti na wo twen so wasi ananso results and wasi ananse be kese mumre school mu no discover the other side of you na hunu say ebia na school in and out no ma quite too much but see na otifie no betimi asua enema bebre no hu se netie ene so bi ye the corner show dwumadie abawie ye onyankopon sha say okoso ana ohwe ewo Imadec TV on YouTube, Twitter, Instagram bebia owo bia mesro say we problem say a free community and answer your friends and personal issues be our person one obi che and now per platform so a bit me acha na call amansan na so for Imadec multimedia I was 0551973717 05062 friend numbers here good screen so ya be ba no ya ba bo na ya twen komonia be I was say udini ene wonsam no edru no ya manaju onyankopon sha so koso ahwe e wo Imadec TV so bye bye.